exploring the limitless possibilities of Microsoft Cosmos, a breakthrough in AI innovation. Do you think AI has shown us all its cards? Think again. Microsoft's Cosmos 2 is here to surprise us all. What if your AI assistant could see an image through your eyes, understand your words, and respond in ways beyond your imagination? With Microsoft's latest innovation, this is no longer a what-if. Today, we find ourselves on the precipice of a revolution in artificial intelligence, led by a name that's fast becoming a buzzword in the AI world, Cosmos 2. In this deep dive, we're exploring the incredible intricacies of Cosmos 2 and understanding why it's not just an upgrade, but a significant leap forward in the world of AI. We'll look at the groundbreaking features, discuss the paradigm-shifting implications, and assess how it's set to redefine our everyday interactions with AI. You might want to stay with us until the end because we'll also be exploring its practical applications and its potential to transform our lives in ways we've never imagined before. So if you're curious about the future of AI and the extraordinary capabilities of Microsoft's Cosmos 2, keep watching. Let's start with the question that's probably buzzing in your mind. What sets Cosmos 2 apart from other AI models? The secret sauce is a concept known as grounding. If you're hearing this term for the first time, don't worry, you're not alone. Grounding in the realm of AI is the ability to create associations between tasks and real-world entities. So, what's the big deal about that? Well, imagine this. You're interacting with an AI model and you want it to understand an aspect of an image. Instead of typing out a lengthy text description, you simply point to a part of the image. The AI model recognizes the geographical coordinates in the image, links it to the text, and voila! You've achieved your goal without a lengthy description. It's like having a conversation with another person, pointing to an object and saying, "Hey, can you tell me more about this?" It's a whole new level of intuitive, practical, and efficient communication. The grounding capability of Cosmos 2 isn't limited to simplifying interactions. It plays a crucial role in enhancing the AI's ability to provide visual responses. Now, you're probably wondering, visual responses? What does that mean? It means that Cosmos 2 can use something called bounding boxes to identify and discuss objects or regions within an image. These are graphical representations, basically boxes, that are drawn around objects within an image to identify them. These bounding boxes prove invaluable in understanding and using referring expressions, which are commonly used to identify and discuss objects or regions within an image. Conventional text-based responses are useful, but often lack the precision that visual responses offer, leading to potential misunderstandings or ambiguities. Think about the last time you wanted to describe an image to a friend. You probably used referring expressions, saying things like, "The blue car parked next to the white building," or "the woman wearing a red hat." These expressions, while useful, are often open to interpretation. A visual response, on the other hand, points directly to the area you're discussing, leaving no room for ambiguity or misunderstanding. Cosmos 2 builds upon the success of Cosmos 1, integrating grounding capabilities into multimodal large language models in a way that's nothing short of revolutionary. But how does Cosmos 2 work exactly? The model uses next word prediction tasks, a causal language model exercise, leveraging the popular transformer architecture. This might sound complex, but in essence it allows Cosmos 2 to predict what comes next in a sequence. That's right, Cosmos 2 can predict the future. Well, sort of. But that's not the only trick Cosmos 2 has up its sleeve. To maximize its grounding potential, the team at Microsoft created a web-scale dataset of grounded image text pairings integrated with the existing multimodal corpora in Cosmos 1. It's as if they taught the AI how to read a map, linking geographical coordinates to the corresponding text. So how well does Cosmos 2 perform? It's not just good, it's exceptional. The AI model excels at grounding tasks like phrase grounding and referring expression comprehension. If you're unfamiliar with these terms, phrase grounding is the ability to link phrases to specific regions within an image, while referring expression comprehension is the capacity to understand and use referring expressions. The model isn't limited to grounding tasks, however. It also showed a competitive edge in language and vision language tasks. This means that Cosmos 2 can understand both written language and visual inputs, combining the two to create a comprehensive understanding of the information it's given. And when it comes to comparing KOSMOS 2 with other models, well, there's no competition. KOSMOS 2 consistently outperforms other models in tasks involving the identification of phrases and images and language processing. It achieves a staggering accuracy of 91.3% in locating phrases and images. To put that into context, the best scores achieved by other models were 78.4% and 86.7%. Clearly, KOSMOS 2 is playing in a league of its own. Now let's explore the practical applications of KOSMOS 2, because let's be honest, impressive stats and groundbreaking tech are only truly impressive when they serve a meaningful purpose. The applications of KOSMOS 2 go far beyond scientific novelty. They find relevance in a wide array of practical scenarios, tailored to individual needs. For instance, it can generate detailed captions for images, answer queries about specific regions, and even perform logical or mathematical operations based on certain areas within an image. Just think about it. Instead of having to manually identify objects in an image and describe them, KOSMOS 2 does it for you, saving valuable time and effort. The potential of this technology to transform lives is not to be understated. Whether it's aiding individuals with visual impairments by narrating the world around them, helping students grasp new concepts through visual aids, or enabling content creators to design immersive narratives, the applications are simply staggering. Can you imagine how transformative it would be to have this level of interactive AI assistance in your day-to-day life? Let's take a closer look at what sets KOSMOS 2 apart from other AI models. One of the most unique aspects of KOSMOS 2 is its grounding capability. Grounding, in the world of AI, refers to creating associations or links between the elements of a task and real-world entities. To help you better understand this, let's use an example. Imagine you're looking at a picture of a busy city street. Now, if you want to refer to a specific object in that image, like a red car, you would generally have to describe it in detail. With KOSMOS 2, you can point directly to the car in the image, and the model will understand what you're referring to. This capability of KOSMOS 2 not only eliminates the need for verbose text descriptions, but also significantly enhances the efficiency of the interaction process. This is a massive leap forward in making AI interfaces more practical, efficient, and intuitive. You might be thinking, this all sounds fantastic, but how can I experience KOSMOS 2 for myself? Well, you're in luck. Microsoft provides an online demo of KOSMOS 2 on GitHub. This platform allows you and users from around the world to interact with the model and evaluate its capabilities firsthand. You can upload your own images, ask questions, or give instructions to the model using text or voice. With this hands-on interaction, you get an accessible platform for understanding the model's functionality, versatility, and the myriad ways in which it can be utilized. You get to test drive the future of AI right from the comfort of your home. Now let's talk about a serious aspect that cannot be overlooked: the ethical considerations surrounding KOSMOS 2. As AI models like KOSMOS 2 continue to advance, we must carefully consider the potential implications and ethical considerations that arise from their capabilities. One significant ethical aspect to consider is privacy. KOSMOS 2's ability to comprehend and interpret various forms of data, including images, raises questions about data privacy and security. As AI systems gain access to vast amounts of personal information, how can we ensure the responsible and secure handling of this data? Striking the balance between AI's potential benefits and protecting individual privacy is a critical challenge that needs to be addressed. Transparency is yet another ethical concern when it comes to AI models like KOSMOS 2. While KOSMOS 2 showcases impressive capabilities, it's essential to understand the underlying algorithms and decision-making processes employed by the model. Transparency ensures that users can evaluate the fairness, accuracy, and potential biases present in the system's outputs. Moreover, as AI models become more interactive and conversational, there's a growing need for clear disclosure of whether a user is interacting with a machine or a human. Transparency in human-AI interactions builds trust and prevents potential manipulation or deception. Finally, there's the question of responsibility. As AI models like KOSMOS 2 become more autonomous and make decisions that impact users' lives, who should be held accountable for any negative consequences? The responsibility for AI systems goes beyond the developers and extends to organizations, regulators, and society as a whole. Establishing frameworks for accountability and defining the roles and responsibilities surrounding AI technologies is essential to ensure ethical and responsible use. We've journeyed today through the groundbreaking world of KOSMOS 2, a state-of-the-art AI model that is rewriting the rules of how we interact with technology. We've discussed its unique grounding feature, which enables the model to make connections with real-world entities, enhancing its interaction capabilities and making AI a more practical, efficient, and intuitive experience. KOSMOS 2 doesn't just exist in the realm of theoretical research but finds its application in a multitude of practical scenarios, such as generating detailed image captions, answering queries about specific regions, performing logical operations based on image regions, and much more. Its potential to transform industries, assist visually impaired individuals, enrich education, and enable creators to design immersive narratives is revolutionary. As we look towards the future, it's clear that KOSMOS 2 stands as a beacon, illuminating the path to a more interactive, accessible, and advanced world. But remember, this is just the beginning. The realm of AI is constantly evolving, with countless surprises and breakthroughs awaiting us. So what do you think of KOSMOS 2? Do you see it revolutionizing the way we interact with AI, or do you have reservations? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of AI, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And remember, the future of AI is here, and with KOSMOS 2, it's more engaging, interactive, and grounded in reality than we could ever have imagined.